The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It sits in South America. It stretches across many borders. It is, a vast web of trees, rivers, plants, animals, and people. It feeds rivers and shapes weather far beyond its edge. The Amazon matters for local life and for the planet. It stores huge amounts of carbon in trees and soil. It makes rain that supports crops in distant lands. It holds vast biodiversity that science still studies. The Amazon covers about 6.7 million square kilometers. It spans 9 countries in South America. Brazil holds the largest share of its forest. Other countries include Peru, Colombia, Bolivia. Scientists estimate millions of plant-animal species live there. About 10% of the world's known species are found in the Amazon. It also stores roughly 100 billion metric tons of carbon in its trees. That carbon helps slow global climate change when it stays in the forest. Many rivers run through it, including the Great Amazon River. The forest acts like a vast, living machine for water. The biggest threat today is deforestation for farms. Trees are cleared to raise cattle plant crops. Large farms ranches take big areas of the forest. This changes the soil and the water cycle quickly. Illegal logging removes trees for wood. Roads open remote areas to more people and new clearing. Fires are used to clear land and then can burn out of control. Dry years, broken forests make fires spread faster. Mining digs up land and pollutes rivers with heavy metals. Small mines, large mines harm forests and fish. Roads bring new settlers and more pressure on forests. Each new road can turn wilderness into farmland and towns. The forest holds many species that depend on dense canopy. The jaguar, the harpy eagle river dolphins, countless insects. When habitat breaks into patches, species struggle to survive. Some species move, some species decline. Some vanish from areas. Indigenous peoples depend on the forest for food and culture. Small towns depend on healthy rivers. Small towns depend on rain cycles. When forests are lost, fish and game can decline quickly. Local economies can be harmed. Cultural traditions can be harmed. Indigenous leaders speak for lands they have stewarded for generations. They often keep their forests intact through traditional rules. When their land is taken, their way of life is at risk. They work to protect territory and to teach younger people. Small farmers can be caught between survival and conservation. Some clear a little land to plant food and pay debts. Others are pushed by large agribusiness that offers money or pressure. These farmers sometimes switch to safer, sustainable methods. Scientists monitor the forest with satellites, drones, and fieldwork. They track fires. Protected areas cover parts of the Amazon. They defend habitat. National parks can stop clear-cutting. Indigenous reserves can stop clear-cutting. Reforestation projects plant native trees in damaged land. Restoring forests can help bring back water flows slowly. Community-led projects build alternative incomes without cutting trees. People sell fruits, nuts, craft goods, run small eco-lodges. Laws and policies can reduce illegal clearing and mining. International funds can pay communities to keep forests standing. Science and technology help find illegal activity fast and early. Maps. Satellite alerts let rangers act when fires start. Graduated fines. Better enforcement helps slow damage. These small successes show that positive change is possible. You can help from far away with small daily choices. Eat less meat or choose beef from deforestation-free supplies. Buy products certified for sustainable farming. Buy products certified for forests. Check labels for responsible sourcing and fair trade marks. Support trusted groups that work with indigenous peoples and replant forests. Donate to local groups. Donate to watchdog organizations or conservation trusts. Share clear facts and stories about the Amazon with friends. Raise your voice for laws and funding that protect forests. Vote for leaders who back strong forest protection and climate action. Ask companies to show where their products come from and how they were made. Reduce waste and choose recycled goods to lower pressure on land use. Even small choices add up when many people care and act together. The Amazon faces hard threats right now, but it still holds great power to heal and to support life. People are working together to protect it. Science is working together to protect it.